speaking of people that are good at getting press, Paris Hilton is launching a new Web3 project. She is definitely one of the queens of Web3. She's historically early to technology, so it's not a surprise to see her, actually, she's been in the space for a number of years now and has a pretty deep understanding. She's a really smart businesswoman.
I did not know that.
And so she is launching this new project similar to Tamagotchis in the 90s. For those of you that are familiar, for those of you that aren't, it was like a digital pet that would need you to check in on it on a regular basis, feed it, take it out, all of those kinds of things, give it love. And so there is this new project that she's launching. You, of course, mint them like NFTs, and they are algorithmically created to have different accessories that are, Paris kind of iconic accessories. So bedazzled DJ headphones, That's Hot necklace, blinged out Y2K phone, and other sliving details.
What is sliving? I saw that.
Sliving is her word.
She made it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a That's Hot kind of similar kind of thing. Okay, so when you watch the hype video about it, you're going to see it right here.
Yeah.
It's, I hate to say this because I think Paris is so awesome, but it reminds me of was it Jake or Logan Paul?
I don't remember
thing
one of Paul's,
that they did
Yep.
They did that like zoo.
They never actually released them. That was a big controversy.
They did though. You could, but they were
ish kind of. Yeah, I remember what you mean. But that all is a derivation of there was the one that went really big on the Ethereum network. It was the very first.
Oh, CryptoKitties.
Yeah.
Same
exact concept. Where, like the concept of kind of the genetics of these little individual animals being derived from kind of the hash value or something like that. So that something's variable, and then also you put two of them together, and they're going to have similar features and stuff like that. It makes sense that this is the kind of thing that would be popular. I didn't realize that Paris Hilton had been kind of in emergent technology always at the beginning. That's fantastic. I mean,
Oh my
cool.
gosh, you sold her a Mac back in the day. I forgot about that.
Oh my God, I forgot about that. Yeah, I did actually. Yeah, I used to work at an Apple store in Hollywood at the Beverly Center. No, I didn't sell her the Mac. I sold her. No, I had to bring it out to her car. I didn't sell it to her.
Oh, okay.
She was in a hoodie. She's all looking all hidden and everything like that. And they asked me to do a walkout, and it was maybe like a really big iMac or something or other. And I take it down, and complete mess of a car.
Don't.
Sorry. I mean, she was like 22 at the time. Like,
all of
so
our
was
cars were a
mine.
mess.
Lord, my goodness.
So yeah, just a fun little project. We'll see where it goes.
Yeah.
But happy to see her doing stuff in Web3 for sure.